Start off by taking these off.
A video for how to use a drill for household repairs will be in the description of this video. So I started off by using the edge of the window and go up 3 inches to make my first mark, and that's where I wanted to start. And I just used the bracket and I made little dots with a marker to where I wanted to use my drill bit. And the wall anchors that I was using required me to use a 3/16 inch drill bit, and I went in the wall about 1 inch, about the length of the wall anchors. And I did the same to the other side. And as you can see, I'm going to put the wall anchor in the wall, and I'm going to tap it in with a mallet. And these wall anchors are great because once you put the screw in, the wall anchor splits and tightens up into the sheetrock, making it real sturdy and tight. Here I am using my impact, and I'm just kind of drilling it in the wall for the most of the way, and then I finish it off using the screwdriver. And I'll tighten it a little more with the screwdriver. Get a little stuck. You're good. Now do the same to the other. Now that I got it nice and sturdy, I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Grab 2 wall anchors and 2 screws, tap them in, drill them in, finish them off with a screwdriver, and they will be nice and sturdy. And that's it. Just kind of straighten them out a little bit. They were a little crooked, so I straightened them out to make sure they were even. And that's it. Okay. She can make them how she wants. If you like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.